New home sales were 10, and now they're 14% of the market. New home sales are up 40% as the size of the market in this crazy pandemic we're in. It's completely unusual, right?
It is, and as Mike said, I mean, it's really, I think the genesis here is the backup in mortgage rates, right? Because if you own a home, you're sitting on a 3% mortgage, and all of a sudden mortgage rates are at 7%, your bar to moving is much higher. If you have to move, you move, but if you don't have to move, you stay.
When does that break? What is the catalyst that Santander sees out there that will change the odd housing market Mike McKee just saw in Florida?
Yeah, I think it's just going to take time for people to get used to higher rates. I think we're starting to see that a little bit in terms of the new home market. There was a period of time last year when people were just stepping back and saying, I'm not going to buy a home right now because mortgage rates are too high. And I think now people are realizing that maybe this is the new normal. So you still have this dynamic of people who are locked in with a low mortgage are less likely to move, and that is to the benefit of the builders. So it allows the builders to kind of rejigger their businesses, get their inventories in line, and you're starting to see a little bit of a pickup on the new home side, which is great because in the second half of last year, housing activity was falling at a 25% annualized clip. It was subtracting more than a full percentage point from GDP. Mm-hmm. All of a sudden, in the first quarter, it was down 5%. So still negative, but only subtracting 0.2 from GDP. It makes a big difference.